I am going to explain you very common topic for the standard 10th in life processes chapter number 6. That is blood vessels. We know that we have a human blood circulatory system and vascular system. Consists of three parts. Human heart itself. I have a separate video in this heart. And blood vessels, which are the tubes through which the blood circulates inside the body, whole body. We have a closed system of circulatory system. Like in earthworm, you have seen that there is an open system of circulatory system. So in closed system of circulatory system, blood circulates in a closed blood vessels, which are further made up of arteries, capillaries and veins. And the third is your blood itself. So in blood tissue, water tissue is blood made up of plasma and formed matter, that is WBC, RBC and platelets, and the plasma contains further water and inorganic salts, glucose, hormones, amino acids. So we know you are already familiar with the blood. Blood circulation is very important because it carries the oxygen from the lungs and transport to the by the heart in the pumping or send this blood to different part of the body in the form of oxygen as well as glucose dissolved in water. So in this way, here we are focusing only on the blood vessels in this video. So we have here I have shown you the chart through which the blood circulates in our body. In the heart, the blood vein comes and heart pumps. Heart give the pressure. Then the bloods move from heart to aorta. Aorta, you mind the diagram of heart. From aorta it goes to arteries. Arteries terminates into arterioles, and arterioles further joins into minute capillaries. These capillaries further join together into minute venules, and these venules further join to veins, and veins, small veins join to big veins to heart in the form of vena cava. You know, we have two types of vena cava, inferior and superior vena cava. So inferior vena cava brings the blood from the lower portion of the body to the heart, and the superior brings upper portion blood. So in this way, when we differentiate, which is very common question asked in board examination, that differentiate between arteries and veins. Many times this question has been very common. Mind you, first of all, you know it is deep seated. When you see my hand, here is the artery, it is deep seated, okay, and these are the veins. You can see these are the veins which are superficial. So it is deep seated, it is superficial, vein is superficial. The arteries carry oxygenated blood from oxygenated blood, and veins carry deoxygenated blood, except the pulmonary related to the lungs. The artery which goes to the lungs carry deoxygenated. Carry blood from heart to body. So these are the arteries which transport the blood from heart to different part of the body, while veins receive the blood from different part of the body and brings to the heart. Now when we see this is the structure of artery and this is the vein. So you see that it has a narrow lumen. This lumen, this is the hole through which blood passes. So this is a narrower, and this is a wider one. Okay. So the wall is thicker. So it has thick wall and it has a narrow wall, but lumen is wider and lumen is thinner. So in this way you can easily describe the difference between different type of blood vessels. Okay. Thank you.